Mars, everything you need to know about the red planet. We address Mars as the red planet owing to its distinct color. Now, why do we need to discuss the fourth nearest planet that's near to the Sun? As we are all aware, the numerous missions taking place by ISRO, NASA, even SpaceX, have made Mars quite a hot topic. People have been talking about creating colonies on Mars. The question is why? Welcome back to the Space Gaze. Before we proceed, kindly subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated when we release new videos. Without further delay, let's dive in. In this video, we will learn about the red planet and its features, while also discussing why people are actually considering shifting from Earth to Mars at some point in the future. Mars is the fourth planet in the solar system. The Romans dubbed the red planet after their god of battle, which suited the planet's red hue. In reality, mainly following the Athenians, who called the planet Ares after their lord of battle. Mars has recently piqued people's interest for reasons other than its ominous aspect. The planet is the second closest to Earth after Venus, and because its orbit is outside of Earth's, it is normally easy to see in the night sky. It is the sole planet's atmospheric feature that can be viewed using Earth-based telescopes. Centuries of painstaking research by Earth-bound observers, supplemented by satellite observations since the 1960s, have revealed that Mars is comparable to Earth in many respects. What makes it a red planet? Mars' striking red hue is attributable to iron-rich minerals in its regolith, which is the loose dust and rock that covers its surface. Earth's soil is also a kind of regolith, but one with high organic content. The iron minerals oxidize or rust, causing the soil to appear red, according to NASA. Hence, we also call it the red planet. Interesting features of Mars. Because of the planet's chilly, thin atmosphere, water is unlikely to persist on the surface of the planet for an extended period of time. Recurring slope visual may contain saline water bursts on the surface, although the factual evidence of water on the is debatable on a high level. Moreover, other scientists suggest that the hydrogen that is visible in a certain location may just be briny salt. This indicates that it may be half the size of Earth, but it has the same amount of dry land similar to Earth. This desert planet has the same amount of residual land. It is 142 million miles away from the Sun, whereas Earth is 93 million miles away. It has a diameter of 4,220 miles, and the duration of a year is about double that of the Earth, is 687 Earth days, and the length of a single day is 24 hours and 37 minutes. The average temperature of the planet is minus 62.78 degrees Celsius. We only have one moon, but Mars has two. Don't you think that's fascinating? Interesting facts about the red planet. Did you know Mars actually has two moons, Deimos and Phobos? They are called after the two horses that pull the chariot of the Roman god of battle Mars. They might be asteroids that have been caught by Mars' gravity. We've listed some more such interesting facts below. Mars has extremely low gravity. The gravity on Mars is 37% lower than on Earth. This indicates that you could jump 3 times higher on Mars than you could on Earth. Mars is classified as a terrestrial planet due to its rough and rocky surface. It features flat plains on its northern side and hills and craters on its southern side. Mars is subjected to powerful dust storms that are fueled by the sun and may linger for months. Borealis Basin is Mars' largest crater. It is 5,300 miles long and covers 40% of the planet's surface. The Valles Marineris Canyon on Mars is the biggest among the 8 planets. It is 4 miles deep and thousands of kilometers long. Mars will most likely be the first planet humanity visits and investigates because it is so close to Earth. On Mars, there is no sign of life. It is, nonetheless, the planet with the finest circumstances for life. Mars expeditions. NASA is actively studying the surface of Mars using 2 rovers, Curiosity and Perseverance, 1 lander, Insight, and 1 helicopter, Ingenuity. The Perseverance rover, the largest and most sophisticated rover NASA has deployed to another planet, landed on Mars on February 18, 2021 after a 203-day trip of 293 million miles, 472 million kilometers. The Ingenuity helicopter was mounted to the belly of Perseverance and flew to Mars. You want to wake up in the morning and think the future is going to be great, and that's what being a spacefaring civilization is all about. It's about believing in the future and thinking that the future will be better than the past. And I can't think of anything more exciting than going out there and being among the stars. Elon Musk. The Starship spacecraft will be used for Mars expedition by SpaceX. The private Elon Musk headed an aerospace company that puts satellites into orbit and delivers cargo. CEO Elon Musk is a very inspirational figure among the youth, and his mindset to explore Mars and create a colony has made an exceptional topic of discussion in the fields of science. The Starship spacecraft will be used for Mars expedition by SpaceX. The private Elon Musk headed an aerospace company that puts satellites into orbit and delivers cargo. CEO Elon Musk is a very inspirational figure among the youth, and his mindset to explore Mars and create a colony has made an exceptional topic of discussion in the fields of science. SpaceX is developing Starship, a totally reusable and extremely heavy-lift launch vehicle. Both of its stages, the Super Heavy booster and the Starship spaceship, are propelled by liquid oxygen and liquid methane. The major characteristics of a Starship are its extremely high payload mass capabilities and low prospective operational cost. Why may humans live on Mars? Because of its closeness and similarities to Earth, the prospect of life on Mars has piqued the curiosity of astrobiologists. Scientific searches for signs of life began in the 19th century and are still ongoing today through telescopic observations and deployed probes. Because of its resemblance to the early Earth, Mars is of great importance for the study of life's origins. Why may humans live on Mars? Because of its closeness and similarities to Earth, the prospect of life on Mars has piqued the curiosity of astrobiologists. Scientific searches for signs of life began in the 19th century and are still ongoing today through telescopic observations and deployed probes. Because of its resemblance to the early Earth, Mars is of great importance for the study of life's origins. This is especially true given Mars' frigid temperature and absence of plate tectonics, or continental drift, resulting in a planet that has stayed largely unaltered since the end of the Hesperian epoch, a period characterized by sizable lava plains. Organic molecules discovered inside sedimentary rocks and boron discovered on Mars are of importance since they are antecedents for prebiotic chemistry. These findings, together with prior discoveries indicating liquid water was obviously present on ancient Mars, lend credence to Gale Crater's putative early habitability on Mars. After safely landing on Mars, NASA's Mars 2020 rover Perseverance will store hundreds of drilled samples for possible transmission to Earth laboratories in the late 2020s or 2030s. That's all I have for you guys for today. If you liked watching this video, please make sure to click the like button, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell icon so that you may be notified when we upload a new video. Thanks for watching.